Hey guys, what's up? Solid Gold Airsoft here, and I have a couple of updates for you guys, and I do have some game footage. But first, here are the updates. On my Javelin M4, I got an RIS. So now I threw a front grip on here and a pec box. On the AK. By the way, this is Javelin M4, electric blowback, and this is the SEMA cyber gun, whatever you want to call it, AK-47, and I did a paint job on it, did that, and spray painted the upper receiver slash dust cover, whatever you want to call it, and the mag. It's kind of a camo-ish sort of thing, OD green. So, anyways, about the game footage, it's a little shaky, I think you could say. I was playing in an indoor arena, and trying to run around while using a pistol is kind of hard. So, you know, forgive me if the quality is a little off. I've never recorded in an indoor arena yet, and this is my first indoor gameplay video. So, I really hope you like it. Okay, we are playing some VIP right now. Okay, you have to go first.
Oh, my gloves. I need to get my gloves.
No. Alright, I saw him VIP here.
Can you go upstairs?
No.
Guys, get down upstairs. You guys can't be upstairs.
Oh, we can go anywhere.
Oh.
Where's the street? Watch out. Alright, I need to get through, guys.
Dang, it's just like
You guys gotta be helping me. You have to kill everyone. Hey, I'm going this way. Okay, they're all upstairs. Should I go through? Did you kill him?
Are they upstairs? This is Dale, they're upstairs.
Upstairs. You kill him?
You only have one life, so you're out.
Yeah, you guys only get one life.
Out. Bang, bang, bang. You guys are out. Bang. No, you guys are out.
Then
out.
shoot.
You guys are out.
Hey.
Ow! You guys are out permanently.
You okay? Do they know that we're playing the bang bang?
You guys are out permanently.
Yeah, no respawns, guys.
No respawns. You guys are out.
Sorry, they're being cheap. Yeah, if you've gotten hit already, you're out.
You only have one life. Don't shoot, because they're all coming. You guys are all gone.
Are you guys out?
You guys are all out.
You're right, Daniel?
Where are the rest of them? The rest of them are all out. Yeah, everyone's out, you guys. Yeah. I went bang, 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 bang.
That's better than just lighting you guys up.
I know.
Alright, whatever.
There was more than that.
Then just clear it.
Everyone's out.
Let's just go.
Just come on.
Let's just move.
Yeah, everyone's out.
We need to go. Jill. Where is he?
You're out, dude. You're out. You're out. You're out. We're not gonna shoot. Just go. You're out. Ow, you can't shoot us. You're out.
He's on the other side. Let's go. Go, 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 go. I need to get through. I'm the VIP man.
Go. I already got shot. Hey, wherever you are, you're out. Come on.
Let's rush. Let's rush it. Come on. You guys, I'm
Who's
gonna
right
go
there?
run out myself. Just run. He can't get us. This is a different room. Oh my God. Are we?
Wait, don't need to go through the
Check it. Check it. Can you clear the room? I said check it. Whatever.
Come on, we're gonna win this right now.
It's here. Alright.
It doesn't matter. They're all out.
So we are okay.
My big one lives